Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your PC info on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select About from the bottom of the list. Here you can see the information about your PC, such as the processor, RAM, Windows Edition, and more. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.